Hey guys, welcome to my show. I'm Chelsea Davis, and today we're gonna be cooking up a pasta primavera in my kitchen, that spring pasta for you guys that don't speak Italian, and then we're gonna be talking about what spring means to me. Happy spring, guys, and cheers. It is iced coffee season. God, that is refreshing and tastes so much better with this bunny straw. So, what spring means to me. I love going outside and cutting fresh flowers, daffodils and hyacinths, and smelling them in my kitchen. Dumping out my kids' Easter candy because I'm sick and tired of the tears and the sugar rushes that my mom has induced to the children. I'm going to be starting a garden this year. Wish me luck. I have seeds sprouting in my laundry room and I have no idea what the I'm doing. So, any tips are welcome for that. It's self-tanner season. You know, like I just can't step outside in a skirt or shorts without slathering on that self-tanner. And as the great Debbie Drzwicki once said, tan fat is better than white fat. So slather on that self-tanner, kids, because God, back in high school, I would have been waiting in line for the tanning bed getting ready for prom, but those days are long gone, and I'm fine with looking orange. I would rather be orange than be like pasty white. So self-tanner season as well. I want to talk about this awesome book that I read. So this is the Figo book club. In February we talked about The Water Dancer. Great read if you haven't checked that out. But this one is called Transcendent Kingdom. I'm totally one of those girls that when I see a pretty book cover, you better bet I'm snatching that book up, and hopefully it's a good read because, you know, we got like the rose gold, you know, foil cover, pink, beautiful, beautiful book there, but it actually turned out to be a great novel about, it's a family who emigrates to the United States from Ghana, and the young woman, the main character in the book, is dealing with family members who suffer from addiction. So if any of you guys have ever dealt with that or had a family member, a close friend deal with addiction, like this is an awesome, just emotional pillar feed right here. So check this book out if you get a chance. Guys, let's head on up to my kitchen. We are gonna be making pasta primavera. It's what's for dinner tonight. All right guys, benvenuto alla mia cucina italiana. When you keep good ingredients on hand, you can whip up an amazing gourmet dinner. We're gonna do this in 14 minutes. You wanna know why? Because my babysitter is on the way, and I'm gonna go play 9 holes of golf while my kids are sleeping, because they'll wake up and realize I'm not here and start crying. So we're gonna get this shit done, right? Okay, so we're starting with some good quality extra virgin olive oil. You could do a combination of butter and olive oil if you want. We are going to saute some shrimp. I have fresh spring vegetables, asparagus, peas. I'm gonna throw a little spinach in there. If you got some mushrooms, wait till you guys see this dish because it's like a plant-based kind of dinner, a little bit of protein, good parmigiano reggiano in a white wine cream sauce. I don't know, I just kind of make this shit up, honestly, and it's a good, quick, feed the masses sort of a dinner, one pot shot, so here we go. All right, so we cooked our shrimp, sauteed the garlic, we got the veggies. Oh, this is gonna be so good. If you keep good ingredients on hand, you can have a gourmet meal in less than 20 minutes. We are going to make a nice white wine cream sauce. I always keep good parmigiano reggiano, pre-shredded. I know, a little bit of a cheat, but it's still the good stuff. Parmigiano reggiano, you wanna buy that. Buon appetito, happy spring.